In today's digital landscape, businesses face increasing threats, from ransomware and data breaches to complex network challenges. Our mission is to protect and empower organizations with reliable, world-class technology. Led by IT security veteran, Securezone Solutions brings over a decade of proven expertise and deep market knowledge. We carefully curate solutions from global leaders such as K7 Computing, EaseUS, and G-Starsoft, delivering not just products, but real answers to your business needs. Since 2012, our legacy has been built on trust, stability, and long-term growth with our partners. More than a supplier, we are a strategic ally, providing expert sales and marketing support to help resellers and businesses succeed. Securezone Solutions, where expertise meets innovation, and your security is our commitment.